In the Horn of Africa, a region known for its dramatic landscapes and rich cultural heritage, Ethiopia is quietly undergoing a powerful transformation, one that is reshaping its cities and countryside alike. With an ancient past that echoes through its monuments and traditions, the nation is now focused on a bold vision for 2035, to become one of Africa's leading manufacturing powerhouses, driving innovation and progress from within. This journey is about more than factories. It's about building a foundation for lasting change and opportunity. It's about empowering a generation, equipping young Ethiopians with the skills and confidence to compete on a global stage, and reshaping Ethiopia's place in the world economy. The homegrown economic reform agenda is the government's ambitious roadmap designed to unlock the country's full potential. It aims to make Made in Ethiopia a mark of quality and innovation, recognized and respected around the world. Projects like the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam symbolize the energy, both literal and figurative, fueling this ambition, providing power and hope for millions. Ethiopia's youthful, fast-growing population is its greatest asset, a wellspring of creativity and determination. The challenge is to turn this energy into a skilled workforce, ready to drive the nation's industries forward and seize new opportunities. The 2035 vision targets millions of sustainable jobs, a robust middle class, and shared prosperity that reaches every corner of society. Industrialization here means coordinated growth across sectors: textiles, pharmaceuticals, steel, and agro-processing, each industry playing a vital role in the nation's economic tapestry. All of this is supported by new infrastructure, stable energy, and a commitment to sustainable development. As of February 2026, the pieces are coming together: factories, roads, and policies aligning to create a new future. The world is watching to see if Ethiopia can forge a new industrial legacy for Africa, one that inspires the continent and beyond. The stakes are high, but the ambition is clear. Ethiopia is determined to chart its own path. The goal: to build a self-reliant, prosperous nation where every citizen can dream bigger and reach higher. Ethiopia's industrial strategy centers on specialized industrial parks, modern hubs designed to attract investment and accelerate growth. These parks are not just clusters of factories, they represent a bold vision for transforming the nation's economic landscape, creating new opportunities for millions. Over a dozen parks now dot the country, each with its own infrastructure and sector focus. From north to south, these parks are strategically placed to tap into regional strengths and connect Ethiopia to global markets. Hawassa Industrial Park, a flagship for textiles, is built for sustainability and provides jobs for tens of thousands, especially young women. Here, eco-friendly practices and modern technology go hand in hand, setting new standards for African manufacturing and empowering a new workforce. Bolelemi and Kilinto parks focus on leather goods and pharmaceuticals, reducing import reliance and building high-value industries. These parks are helping Ethiopia diversify its economy, making it more resilient and competitive on the world stage. These parks are magnets for skills and technology, creating ripple effects in local economies and training a new generation. Workers gain valuable experience while local suppliers and service providers benefit from increased demand and new business opportunities. Small businesses thrive around them, supporting workers and services. Cafes, shops, and markets spring up, turning once quiet areas into vibrant economic zones that benefit entire communities. Industrial parks are the engines of Ethiopia's 2035 vision, turning ambition into reality, one factory and one job at a time. They symbolize hope, progress, and the promise of a brighter future for generations to come. They are the physical proof of a nation on the move, forging a new path toward prosperity and shared success. The textile and apparel sector leads Ethiopia's industrial surge, aiming to become a global garment player. With a large, cost-effective workforce, Ethiopia attracts major fashion brands seeking new supply chains. Government incentives and trade agreements, like the African Growth and Opportunity Act, make investment attractive and exports competitive. Textile factories create mass employment, especially for women, empowering families and communities. Skills learned on the factory floor build a foundation for future industries. To stand out, Ethiopia emphasizes sustainable, ethical manufacturing, seen in eco-friendly parks like Hawassa, Every shipment of garments is more than commerce, it's a step toward the 2035 vision. Export earnings fuel further investment in infrastructure and education. The hum of sewing machines is the sound of Ethiopia's future being stitched together. Beyond textiles, Ethiopia is ambitiously pursuing domestic oil refining as a strategic move to reduce its heavy dependence on imported fuel. This initiative is not just about energy, it's about transforming the nation's economic landscape and securing a more stable future. Each year, billions of dollars are spent on petroleum imports, draining precious foreign currency reserves and leaving the economy vulnerable to unpredictable global price shocks. These costs ripple through every sector, affecting transportation, manufacturing, and even the price of basic goods for ordinary Ethiopians. The government's plan is clear: import crude oil from neighboring countries like South Sudan and refine it locally, starting with the ambitious Awash refinery project. This approach leverages regional partnerships and brings value addition within Ethiopia's borders. Refining oil at home means more than just saving foreign exchange. It creates thousands of skilled jobs for Ethiopians, builds technical expertise, and helps stabilize the nation's energy supply, making the country less susceptible to external shocks. This bold move also lays the groundwork for a future petrochemical industry, enabling Ethiopia to produce plastics, fertilizers, and other vital materials domestically, products that are essential for modern life and industrial growth. Building a refinery is a complex, multi-year undertaking requiring advanced technology, skilled labor, and significant investment, but it's a crucial step toward economic independence and long-term resilience. Ethiopia's vision is to become an active player in the regional and global value chain, not just a passive consumer of finished products. By refining and exporting, the country can capture more value and drive sustainable growth. Controlling its own energy destiny is a central pillar of Ethiopia's 2035 manufacturing vision, representing hope for a new era of prosperity and self-reliance. The refinery is more than just infrastructure, it's a bold statement of self-sufficiency, national pride, and Ethiopia's determination to shape its own future. Agriculture remains central to Ethiopia, and food security is a top priority. Reliance on imported fertilizers has limited crop yields and drained foreign reserves. Ethiopia's answer: build a domestic fertilizer industry, starting with projects like the Yayu Fertilizer Complex. Local production ensures stable, affordable supply for farmers, boosting yields and moving agriculture toward commercial scale. Higher yields mean more food, lower prices, and less need for imports or aid. Surpluses feed agro-processing industries, creating a cycle where industry and agriculture support each other. Controlling fertilizer production is about national sovereignty and food security. A productive agricultural sector frees up labor for new industrial jobs. The Fertilizer Revolution is a cornerstone of Ethiopia's journey to prosperity. Steel and cement are the backbone of Ethiopia's industrial revolution. Once reliant on imports, Ethiopia now invests heavily in domestic production to meet construction needs. Cement factories and new steel mills are rising, supplying materials for everything from skyscrapers to dams. Local production makes construction affordable and accelerates development. The steel industry, though young, is growing, recycling scrap and aiming for full integration. These industries create supply chains for sectors like automotive and machinery, deepening industrialization. Every locally made bag of cement and steel beam is a step toward self-reliance. Ethiopia is building its future, literally, from the ground up. For landlocked Ethiopia, efficient logistics are vital to economic growth. Massive investments have transformed trade routes, especially the Ethiopia-Djibouti corridor and the electrified Addis Ababa-Djibouti railway. The railway slashes transport times, making exports like textiles more competitive. Ethiopia is diversifying access to the sea, developing ties with ports in Somaliland and Sudan. New dry ports and logistics hubs streamline customs and connect producers to global markets. Efficient logistics attract investment and open regional markets for Ethiopian goods. Stronger trade links foster stability and shared prosperity. Roads, railways, and ports are the arteries pumping Ethiopia's industrial heart. Ethiopia's industrial journey faces real challenges. Infrastructure gaps, unreliable power, limited roads, and water can slow progress, Foreign currency shortages make importing machinery and raw materials difficult, straining reserves. Managing the birr and maintaining macroeconomic stability is crucial for investor confidence. Global competition is fierce. Ethiopia must keep improving its business climate and workforce skills. Internal and regional stability is essential. Lasting peace underpins all development. Overcoming these obstacles requires pragmatic policies and sustained effort. Success depends on more than vision. It's about solving problems day by day. The coming decade will test Ethiopia's resolve. Can this ancient nation lead Africa's industrial future? The answer is being built right now.